Hi everyone, I'm back with another useful tutorial. Use of Turbosmooth in 3ds Max. This tutorial is for beginners to understand 3ds Max very mildly. I will also upload Turbosmooth tutorials with more information. So let's start. But before that, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell button for new tutorials, and don't forget to like and comment on my videos. Please take a few minutes for me, and please turn on your subtitles to better understanding. Maybe you can understand what is the use of Turbosmooth by its name. It smooths the object. Now I will show you how to use it. I'll pick a teapot to apply Turbosmooth. Now I will reduce the segments of the teapot and I will apply Turbosmooth. So go to modify, open the modify list, press T to find out the Turbosmooth option and click on it, and you can see the result. If you disable the Turbosmooth, you can see the Turbosmooth effect more properly. Now increase the segments and you can see this teapot is looking more smooth and realistic. And if you decrease the segment, you lose the smoothness of the teapot, but also you make a low poly 3D object with less segments. So to smooth a less segment teapot, go to Turbo Smooth and increase the iterations. Iterations means repetition of a process. And now you have less segment but still smooth teapot. So this tutorial is ends here. To learn more about 3ds Max and other graphic softwares, please subscribe my channel, comment and like on my videos. If you have any question, you can write down in comment box. I will try to reply in 24 hours. So stay tuned, stay healthy. See you again. Bye.